Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Litecoin, we are trading at $80.22. 24-hour volume, we're up 198%, and market cap, we are up 4.55%. Heading over to our daily chart here, we can see that the candlestick wick has actually over exceeded our trend line here. Now, same repetition here that we got on November 23rd, and ultimately getting into a bullish flag formation. And if we predict our bullish flag formation and actually close above our trend line here, then our preceded target is going to be at $97 at 127% of our fib. Now, that's a little optimistic. However, we're going to take a look and follow this on a daily average to make sure we are on target for 127, or if we do have any other hints where the price is going to retrace down. If we take a look in the past here for Litecoin to see actually when the last time we've hit around the $84, it was only around in May after that fall. Ever since, we've been below that price incredibly. So it is really good to see Litecoin coming up and retesting this area of resistance. The only things that we would need to consider here is making sure that the moving averages stay well below the price action that we have here. Now, here we have a golden cross action. So normally a golden cross is essentially long-term predictions of the price itself is going to go into more of a bullish market. I am on the daily time frame, and we can see right here our 50 moving average is crossing above our 100 moving average and our 200 moving average. So if the price continues to be further away from these moving averages, then the uptrend itself is going to be very promising, but most importantly, it is going to be for a long term. Heading over to our 2-hour time frame, here is where we saw the highest of $84.98. As the price is correcting itself, here is going to be a critical point that we hold onto the 38%. The reason why I say we need to be able to hold around the 38% of our fib, which is $79, is essentially here is our 200 moving average, 20 moving average. If we cross below and close below our 20 moving average, essentially this uptrend itself is going to end, and it is going to come down to a bearish trend itself. Now, one of the few factors that we could see where the price may fall below our 20 moving average is our MACD indicator, which does measure momentum. And we can see that we've already seen the crossover from this peak here at this candlestick at the very bottom to now's candlestick. And we can see that it's changed from the green over to the red. And with this momentum, the price itself is going to come back down. If I just quickly switch to high Kanashi, we can see that there is no hints of any green candles for any type of reversal or any type of uptrend that we can see at this time. If we were to see some green candlesticks within these red ones, then it would hint or give us a hint that the price itself is going to pull back nicely around and hold support at 38%. Regardless that our RSI is low at 14%, the MACD indicator is going to show us and really, really retest this area of support. And if we take a look again, this area was not tested as an area of support, so we don't know if this is quite reliable. If we could take a look, I'm going to switch it over to candlesticks here. If we take a look, here is mainly the retest and held on to support at 61% of our fib. So if the momentum of our MACD indicator is very strong and it continues this wavelengths and these bars continuously get bigger and bigger, such as these wavelengths here that we saw on December 1st and November 30th, then be prepared for the price for Litecoin to drop down to the $76. If again, we're not going to hold on to support around the 50% price point. So that's kind of my update here for Litecoin. Just be very cautious as this wave here has already ended, proceeding into the red histograms or MACD indicators before we can actually take action and see if there is going to be a second retest of our $85. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe to the channel as well. But I'll see you guys next time.